Hey, in front of me is FairPhone 3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, access clock by tapping on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and when you're done, choose OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays only. Then click on Vibrate to disable Enable Vibrations and tap on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to. And click on OK. Then choose this bell icon over here and select one of those melodies after clicking Dismiss as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on Add New, pick music from your device over here by selecting one of those sources like Downloads, tapping on the song, and selecting it over here. Then go back and click on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, click on this icon over here, choose delete, and now it's gone. If you wish to customize more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!